Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 19th of July 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas, I would like to announce the winner of the contest we had last week in the last video. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile for MetaTrader 4, and right now on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the profile. So congratulations to the winner for winning the profile, and what I will do is I'll do another contest for you guys. The only thing you need to do to participate is just leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and the next week in the next weekly trading ideas video I'll randomly pick one person to win my flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's for the contest, and let's now go and have a look at the trading ideas. What you see before you, that's my day trading workspace, which shows volume profiles and VWAP indicators. This chart at the top, it is a 60-minute chart, and this profile shows how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. So this is a weekly volume profile. Now the chart below it, this one, this is a 30-minute chart where I use a flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this, look into specific areas in which you are interested in. And the last chart, this one, this is a 15-minute chart. This is more detailed chart where I use 4-hour profiles, which means that every 4 hours new profile gets printed and it will show me how the volumes were distributed throughout those 4 hours, right? So that's the workspace, and let's now talk about the trading idea which I would like to show you. The trading idea is on the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So all those charts now show the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. And if you look at the chart, the recent development, let's say this recent development, then the most important and noticeable activity is this one, this strong sell-off, right? It's even better visible if you look in here at the 30-minute chart, this one, this is the sell-off, right? The most important area in this whole chart, because in here you can see the aggressivity of the big guys, of the institutions who are pushing and manipulating the price downwards. Now, if you look at the flexible volume profile in here, in this specific area, you can see that there were heavy volumes accumulated in this area before the start of this strong sell-off, right? So it seems that strong institutional sellers were building up their shorts in here, in this rotation, in this area, right? Those are the volumes which you can see there, those volumes. And from there, they initiated this strong sell-off. And those are their positions, right? This is the zone where they placed most of their shorts. So when there's a pullback to 73.53, this is the level, I think that those strong institutional sellers will want to defend this zone. The zone is starting in here at 73.53. So they'll defend the zone and they'll want to push the price downwards. The zone is important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts in here, right? So they'll want to defend it, and for this reason this zone should work as a strong resistance. Right, so that's the first trading idea which I wanted to show you. Now let's go to the next one, which is also a day trading idea, and it is on the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So this is the New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, and if you look at the chart, let's have a look at the 60-minute chart again, this one. Then the most important zone, where you can see the most aggressivity, is in here, right? This strong buying activity, and this seems like institutional buying activity because the institutions were trying to push the price upwards aggressively, right, in here. Now, before a trend like this, there's usually a rotation, like in here, or you can also see it in here, this area. From this area, the strong buying activity started. This is the strong buying activity. Right, so to do is you use the profile, the flexible volume profile over this area And when you do that, you will see that there was massive volume cluster, massive volumes created and traded before this strong buying activity. So it seems that strong institutional buyers were building up their longs in here, and then they pushed and manipulated the price upwards. And for this reason, I think that when there's a pullback, those buyers will want to defend this zone, and they'll want to push the price upwards from there again, right? This heavy volume zone begins at 0.6382. This is where the support starts, and this is where the strong buyers will most likely defend this zone and push the price upwards, right? So that's what should make this a strong support. Now let's go and have a look at the next trading idea, which I would like to show you. This one is not trading idea for intraday trading, but it is a swing trading idea. So from those 60-minute, 30-minute and 15-minute charts, I'll move into a daily chart. So let me switch the workspace and show you the trading idea. So this is the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And what I wanted to show you, that's actually a level, a swing trading level from my members area. So this is the level, 80.22. A little sneak peek into the members trading levels. Why this trading level, why this support is so important is that there were massive volumes created in here, and then there was strong buying activity, right, on the daily chart. So this is pretty significant, because if there was a rotation with massive volumes and strong uptrend commencing from that, you can tell that there was something going on, that strong buyers were building up their longs there, right? And then they manipulated the price upwards into this strong uptrend. Now, it seems that the price is getting back now, and it's heading towards this area, this heavy volume area. So, when there's the pullback, I think that the strong buyers who are placing their longs there and afterwards manipulating the price upwards, I think that those guys will want to defend this zone. It's an important zone for them, right? You can see that. And they'll want to push the price upwards from there again. Alright, so that's the swing trading idea, which I wanted to show you. And if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, and also if you would like to join the member section, where there's a lot of those levels across a lot of trading pairs, then what you want to do is go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and to get further volume profile education, you want to go in here, trading course and tools. So you click that and you scroll down a bit. This is a lead pack, that's a training pack which I recommend to everyone who wants to learn how to trade with volume profile and who wants to get a complete package. Now what this package includes is volume profile video course. That's a 15-hour long training on trading with volume profile. There's my personal trading levels. You'll be getting daily trading levels and swing trading levels twice every day. So those are my personal trading levels, which you'll be getting and which will automatically get drawn into your trading platform. Now, you'll also get volume profile pack. That's a pack of my volume profile indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and for MetaTrader 4. And also there's a bonus VWAP indicator and my 2 books, Volume Profile, The Insider's Guide to Trading, and Order Flow Trading Setups. Now, apart from all that, you are also getting free tech support for Elite and Order Flow Pack members. What that means is that our tech support guy will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all indicators, workspaces. They'll connect you to DataFeed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, because this is a part of the service which we provide for the Elite Pack members, right? So that's the recommended pack. Currently we are running a sale. It's a 50% down on this Elite Pack. So if you want to get this pack discounted, then this is your chance. So anyways, that's for the trading ideas for this week. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you liked the trading ideas. I will be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!